Good evening. In this session, I am going to explain about the input and outputs of MSP430. So here, first let us go for the input and output of the MSP430. So introduction, the MSP430 is a 16-bit microcontroller that has a number of special features not commonly available with other microcontrollers. It has complete system on a chip includes LCD control, ADC, input-output ports, RAM, ROM, basic timer, watchdog timer, UART, etc. So the general purpose input output GPIO is nothing but general purpose input output. Each port is assigned several 8-bit registers that control the function of the pins and provides information on their current status. So the pixel and pixel 2, these registers selects whether the pin operates in GPIO mode or is used for a specialized function as described in the pin out. It is not always available and is used to augment the number of multiplexer options if the pin has various specialized functions. Setting PXCL to 0 selects GPIO mode. So here is the input output pin. It is a dual in package which consists of the pins and a set which is used to operate as GPIO. So PXDIR, if the pin is set to operate as GPIO, the bits in this register select whether a pin is high impedance input or low impedance. So if the pin is set to operate as GPIO output, this pin selects high or low. So if the pin is set to operate as GPIO input, this pin indicates whether the voltage at the pins is high or low. So this is the interrupt capability of MSP430. Some GPIOs in the MSP430 have the capability to generate an interrupt and inform the CPU when a transition has occurred. And the MSP430 allows flexibility in configuring which GPIO will generate the interrupt and on what edge. The registers controlling these options on PXIE, PXIES, PXIFG. Each bit enables one, selects whether a pin will generate an interrupt on interrupt flag register, indicating whether an interrupt has occurred on a particular plan. So these are all the electrical specifications like VOH, VOL. VOH is nothing but output voltage high level, which ranges from VCC, that is 0.3 volt, and VOL output voltage level VCC plus 0.3 volt ranges. The range, like most devices, has a limit on the amount of current that can be drawn from the pins both individually and as a whole, right? And these are few examples of initializing GPIO, like configuring P1.0 as a GPIO output which is set to high, and this is the syntax format coding of MPS430, which includes first header file like MSP430, then watchdog and stop watchdog timer, then set ports like input and output, and interrupts, and also set whether it is high or low like 0 or 1. So an LED can be connected directly to the MSP430 pin. When the pin is low, the voltage across the LED is almost 0, so it remains off. But when the pin is high, the voltage causes the LED to turn on. A microcontroller is typically better at sinking current than sourcing it. LED can be connected between VCC and MSP430. The polarities are then reversed when MSP430 pin is high. LED is off because the potential difference between the LED terminals is very small. When the MSP430 is set to 0, the potential difference is large and the LED turns on, right? So the power defaults here is like before any code is executed, the registers controlling the MSP430 are cleared to defaults, right? So this includes pixel set to 0, and along with the PXDIR, the meaning that pins are generally configured as inputs with high impedance. Okay, this is all about the power up defaults of MSP430. Okay, So thank you so much.